Good morning students, welcome to 6th class. This is Anika, your science teacher. Today I want to share a few words about 6th class science. Okay, we do many activities from morning to night, right? We want to do these activities, what we need? We need some energy. How can we get energy? When we take food, then only we get the food energy. Okay. Now, this is our first lesson, nothing but our food. Okay, in this lesson we discuss about the what we take food. Okay, when I ask what is your favorite food item, you say idli, biryani, laddu, payasam, ice cream. You say so many food items. How many members knows which materials used to prepare the food? How to prepare the food? If anyone thinking about these two questions, I think everyone neglected this type of questions. But in 6th class, in our science subject, today we discuss about these all things. Okay? Every day we eat different types of food materials from morning to night. Okay? You ask your friend once, he says, today I eat idli, rice, vegetables and milk and so on. He say like that. You ask another person, he says roti, biryani, ice cream, milk. He say like that. Do all the people eat same food item? No, not at all. We eat different types of food materials in our life. But some food items like rice, vegetables and milk in our daily menu. Okay. Now, if you want to prepare, you ask your mother once, which materials used to prepare the biryani? Rice. She says rice, water, oil, salt, coriander, mint. Not only these materials. She says so many materials. At the same time, if you want to prepare the brinjal curry, for the brinjal curry, we use brinjal, onion, chili, salt, oil, chili powder. What are these? These all are the ingredients. These all are the ingredients. What is meant by ingredients? The materials used to prepare the food are called ingredients. Okay, I repeat once. The materials used to prepare the food are called ingredients. Okay. Now, if you want to purchase any food item from outside like biscuits, kurkure packets, you will read the all ingredients as well as nutrients backside of the paper. That nothing but the paper. Your biscuit paper, kurkure paper, backside they mention all these ingredients as well as nutrients. When we want to purchase any food item, first of all we observe the MFD. Okay, we observe the MFD. What is MFD? MFD means manufacturing date. MFD means manufacturing date. Okay, everyone know we get milk and meat and eggs we get from the animals. As well as we eat different parts of the plants like leaf of the spinach, fruit of the tomato, flower of the cauliflower plant, like that. Okay. Now we make to biryani. We use the ilachi, dalchini, lavanga, and pepper also. What are these? These all are called as the condiments. Called as the condiments are fragrant materials. Fragrant materials. We call it in Telugu Sugandha Dravyalu. Sugandha Dravyalu. Next, dry fruits. Dry fruits, you dry fruits. Okay, these condiments and dry fruits are grown in particular regions only. At the same time, they are very expensive. Expensive means very costly food item. Okay, we eat different parts of the plants like root and stem and leaves also. If you want to make any food item, we use several food materials to prepare the food. Okay, now we discussing about how to develop the food habits. In our particular Andhra Pradesh, our geographical conditions and climatical conditions, we are cultivate the food paddy only. Right? We prepare so many types of food materials by using the rice. So we eat rice more. But in Rajasthan, maize, bajra, wheat is produced more than rice. Okay. So in Rajasthan, food is chapati or roti. But now here, why we discuss about how to develop the food habit? So many members saying, I like this curry, I don't like that curry. This is a very, very bad habit. When we take all vegetables with food items, these food items keep us healthy and strong. Okay, so that's why we take all types of food materials. Okay, now we discussing about different methods of preparing food. Up to now, how to prepare the food, we discuss about that topic only. But now we want to discuss about the preparation of different methods of preparations. See once, boiling, steaming, roasting, deep fry. Not only these 4 methods, we have different types of the methods. But now we want to discuss only these some topics only. For example, boiling. We boil the rice, eggs and potatoes. Steaming, you know well, idli. Roasting, for example, your mother prepared for us chicken curry. And deep fried fish. These are the some methods of preparation of the food. Okay, see once, I want to repeat: boiling, steaming, roasting and deep fry. These are the some of the methods to prepare the food. Okay, at the same time, in our 6th class, they want to learn how to prepare the tomato curry also. Up to now we discuss about which materials used to prepare the food, how to prepare the food. At the same time, different methods of preparing food. Now we discuss about how to prepare the tomato curry. If we want to prepare the tomato curry, first we need which materials are used for the preparation of the tomato curry. Now we see the ingredients. Ingredients means tomatoes. Which materials we use to prepare the food are called ingredients. See now the ingredients of the tomato curry: tomatoes, onion, chili, salt, oil, mustard seeds, turmeric powder and red chili powder. Now we wash the vegetables first and chop it. Now take a pan and put on the stove. Now we add the 2-3 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is heated, we add the mustard. After few minutes, we add the onions as well as chilies. Okay, when the onions color turns into transparent, we added the we added the pinch of turmeric powder and salt according to our taste. After few minutes, we add the red chili powder also. Okay, wait for 2 or 3 minutes. Later, we put off the flame. Now, our tomato curry is ready. Okay, this is the procedure of the how to prepare the tomato curry. Okay, up to now, what we learned? We learned what are the ingredients, how to prepare the food, how to prepare, how many methods we use to prepare the food, as well as how to prepare the tomato curry. Up to now, okay. But how to preserve the food, we don't know. So now we also discuss about the topic preservation of food. Preservation means nilva cheyadam. Preservation means nilva cheyadam. We have different methods of the preservation. Okay. Why does kept curry outside for a couple of a day, it gets spoiled, but pickles fresh to so long? Why? Because the method of the preservation. Okay. Now we discuss about how to preserve the food. We have different types of the preservation methods. See, add salt only. Add salt, red chili powder, as well as oil. Drying, sugar syrup. What are these? These all are the preservation methods, different preservation methods. How do you use these methods? Add salt only. Which food item we preserve when we add salt only? For example, fish. Okay. Add salt, red chili powder and oil. Best example? Right. Pickles. Okay. Dry. Fish and prawns. Fish and prawns. Sugar syrup. You know well. At the same time you like it. Jams. Okay. Add salt only. When we add salt, we preserve the fish for so long time. Add salt, red chili powder, oil. We preserve the pickles. Drying fish and prawns. Endu chappa, endu royal antaru kada avi. Next, sugar syrup, jams. Okay, as well as honey also. Honey and sugar syrup are the good preservative methods of the preserve the jams and juices. Okay, Nana? I hope understand this lesson, first lesson in 6th class science, our food.